Okay, this is TempleOS 5-minute random code walkthrough, episode number 12, and I'm your host, Terry Davis. Let's see where God takes us. Alt B. And we are in the sprite editor. Okay, so just to show you where we are, if you hit Control R, make sprite, tag. So the sprite editor is this menu right here. This is the sprite main. Okay, so let's see what width. Technically we are right here where we set the width. Okay, so let's check that out real quick. Sprite main edit. So there's a while loop for this menu, and where's the menu? Here's the menu. And you can see width right there. So the menu returns SPT width. Okay, so here's the while loop, and here's where it gets a menu selection. Then it does a switch. Actually, it does a couple special cases. If the menu is well, anyway, for the width, it enters this switch statement, and then it goes down to width. Pop-up range. Okay, so if we say pop-up range I64, let's see what we have. 116.1 pin width. Okay. Low high step header. So if we want to go, let's go from 10 to 20, step 2, even 10 to 20. So we got a menu with 12, 14, 16, 18, and the value I picked was 18. So I guess you want a character return. Okay, so that's what it's using to pick the pin width. If you bail out, then it cancels. If the value is greater than a -1, the standard response for a menu is doc, I think doc F cancel, not doc F, doc M. The standard response for a menu when you hit cancel is -1. So I don't know how we get -1. That can't be right. Maybe it is right. And if you're doing negative values, you have to, you can't tell if it's cancel, I guess. Okay, anyway, so if it's, we make a sprite entry. The sprites are vector graphics with codes, and we make an entry for width. We set the width, and we insert it in the queue of vectors, vector graphic elements. Then we update, and we now have one. This is the current element that we're pointing to. So just to take a look again, Control R, make sprite, So if we say width 6, line, anyway, so we can do another width 3, line. Okay, anyway, so that's that. So we can do a width in the middle, and then it'll set the remember, it set that cur element. Okay, so